Man, eat, man. Go back and fight.
Stop it.
Go back over there.
She gonna fight you.
Go back over there and fight. Go that way.
Yeah, we got a hanging string coming from the camera.
Go that way. Fight. Fight.
So I went to sleep mad late last night. Like almost 4 o'clock. I couldn't believe I woke up at 7 o'clock this morning.
I woke up early too.
I know, you left right before I left. Like 2 minutes after you left, then I left.
But I went to sleep like 4 o'clock too though. I was cleaning up my room and now it's dirty again. Yes, fight. Fight.
Scared them.
Some cool cats. That's Eve over there. Beast.
Tell them that Eve is short for evil.
Yeah, Eve is evil.